ngrok is a free service that helps you share a site or server running on your local machine. This tutorial show you how to install it. First, you need to go to ngrok main website. Download the .tgz file. Copy the command here and paste it to your terminal. Make sure your downloaded file in the download folder, or you can give the location of the downloaded file. tar is used for extract the .tgz file. All you need to do is extract the ngrok file to user local bin. After extract you can just type ngrok. ngrok is the fastest way to host your service on the Internet. ngrok is a useful utility to create secure tunnels to locally hosted applications using a reverse proxy. It is a utility to expose any locally hosted application over the web. If you like this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.